Hi, I'm Alison with Alison Kent Home Kitchen, a cooking, recipe, online shop, and design resource for all things kitchen. In looking for help to define my brand, I went to the Forum for Women Entrepreneurs, or FWE, and I was linked with not just a mentor, but with my own future. My mentor, Beth Shaw, listened, guided, and connected me in any way I needed. Through her, I found manufacturers, web designers, branding specialists, and even a friendship. She led me to hone in on my vibe. Now, whether I'm writing recipes and posts, developing and promoting my latest kitchen product, or working on a kitchen design, I have a solid footing from which to be wildly creative. I'm more excited now than ever to see what the future holds.